Paper trading, what a waste of time. I know it's an unpopular opinion, but you don't learn squat paper trading. Here's why. It's not real money. You don't have real emotions when you don't have real money on the line. What is the point? Also, from an actual working standpoint, it doesn't even work properly. It doesn't use real live data. The fills aren't real, and sometimes you can put an order in and not get filled. You can't see the custodian account, like realized gains, realized losses, the data associated with that account. It is a waste of time. Here's what you should do. Just get your feet wet. Dip your toe in the water. I'm gonna walk through in this video a super low cost ticker, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can sell a put far away from where the stock is trading, collect a couple dollars, and just get practice. So many people reach out to me and they talk about, hey, they want to do this, or hey, they want to do that. And you know what? A lot of them don't even follow through. There is nothing worse than someone who doesn't take action. Like, what is the point? If you're here on this channel learning how to trade options, you want to change your life. You want something better. You want something different. You have to do things that other people don't do in order to get what other people don't have. And options trading gives you this. It gives you a steady stream of income every single week in your pocket. If you're trading stocks, man, I'm laughing at you. I'm not laughing with you at all. Because you are like hoping and praying that your stock goes up to sell your shares at some time frame in the future to recognize that money, when all along you can just literally be putting cash in your pocket. 2 strategies you need to know. Sell a put, sell a covered call. A 10th grader can learn this. If a 10th grader can learn this, so can you. Now, before we jump right in, do me a favor. In the bottom right of this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm literally putting up a video each and every single day, talking all about how you can change your life selling options. Now, okay, let's jump right in. Guys that are new out there, I'm going to use Lyft as an example because it's a stock that's trading at only $23 right now, $23.14, and Lyft is not going anywhere. Lyft and Uber are here for an extended period of time. Obviously, there's no guarantees in the market and there's always going to be risk. I'm not here recommending anything specific, and I don't trade Lyft myself, but I don't think this is a stock that can get anybody hurt with. And it's an easy one to learn on. So let's take a look. At the strikes down the middle, puts are on the right-hand side, and calls are on the left. And if you're new, you want to sell a put that's kind of far away from the money. That way it makes it very less likely that you'll get assigned and have to buy the shares. So we're going to look at a $21 strike. Right? There's a 9 delta, meaning that there's only 9% likelihood that Lyft is going to drop all the way from where it is now, $23.14, down $2, which is like 10%, in the next week. And it last traded at $11 for the contract. So we're always going to calculate our rate of return first, and we're just going to do that on a simple calculator. So we're going to divide $11, which is our premium, divided by 2,100, which is the amount of money that we'd have to put up if we had to buy 100 shares, if we're not using margin. So we're making about 0.5%, but we're only holding the trade for 1 week. So if we wanted to annualize this out, in other words, if we did a trade like this every single week, we would be making about 27% on our money. Not bad. And if we did have to buy the shares, we would turn right around and sell a covered call at the price at which we own the shares and make money again. How'd you like that video, huh? Can you totally see yourself doing this? Is any of this too hard where you can't do it on a regular basis? Listen, it is as easy as you make it, or it's as hard as you make it. Me, I'm all about the easy way. I want to do things in an easy way because they're easy to replicate. Then you can do it over and over and over again. Rinse and repeat. If this video was helpful, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what kind of information you want me to talk about on these videos. Thanks for watching and happy trading.